Hello everyone, this is Carlos, Touch of Glass Painting and Handyman Service, and what we are doing here today is laminated flooring. Good laminated flooring, good material, good product. And as you can see, the cuts all around are really nice. And this before had, well, it does have old wood when the house was built. Then I have the laminate going underneath the heating boards, underneath the baseboards. These are all new baseboards. As you can see, ceiling was painted. These are wood panel walls, and I plastered them with Durabond and plaster adhesive. As you can see, it came out. You see absolutely no lines from the old wood panels. And the only reason why I have my chop saw here is because it's actually snowing outside and I cannot have the machine outside, so this will all be covered up in about another hour or so. And I want to give a special shout out to a helper of mine. Bam! There he is, that's the man. That's Big J, Big John. Thanks again for watching. Please hit like on my videos or subscribe and follow me on my page. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching.